Hello students, so today we are going to start with the fourth chapter and the fourth chapter of reproductive biology. The reproductive biology in which we already have studied the reproduction in organisms, then we have studied the reproduction in plants and the reproduction in human beings, and this is the fourth part, or we can say the application part of the chapter, which is reproductive health. And in reproductive health we are going to study about three major aspects. So the first aspect is the birth control. The family planning or the birth control is the first aspect of the chapter. Then we'll discuss about the STDs, the sexually transmitted diseases, is the second aspect of the chapter. And the third aspect of the chapter is the ARTs. ART, which stands for assisted reproductive technologies. So we have three things to study in this chapter. First is the family planning or the birth control or the contraceptive methods that a person can use. The second is the STDs, and the third part is ARTs. So before we start with all these aspects, let's discuss the definition of the reproductive health, which is proposed by the WHO. WHO, you all know, it is a organization under UNO, United Nations, and it was established on 7th April. It was established on 7th April 1948. So 7th April को on the occasion of the formation of WHO एक वर्ल्ड डैश डे सेलिब्रेट होता है, एक डे सेलिब्रेट होता है, एक इंटरनेशनल डे सेलिब्रेट होता है. इन द कमेंट बॉक्स जस्ट राइट डाउन व्हाट इज़ दिस डे, व्हाट डू वी सेलिब्रेट ऑन द 7th April. सो 7th April पे एक ग्लोबल डे सेलिब्रेट होता है, आपको उसका नाम लिखना है. एंड इट वॉज एस्टैब्लिश्ड ऑन 7th April 1948 एंड द हेडक्वार्टर्स ऑफ WHO इज़ इन Geneva, which is in Switzerland. So here are the headquarters of WHO, and presently the head of WHO, there are three heads of WHO right now. The first head is Jane Ellison. Jane, J-A, let me change the color of the pen. First is Jane Ellison. ELLISON. Jane Ellison is the first member, first chairperson. The second is Tedros, TEDROS, Tedros Adhanom, ADHNOM. And third is Soumya Swaminathan. The third head is Soumya Swaminathan. So we have, these are the three heads of WHO, and WHO, and you must be knowing that India was the founder member of WHO, and WHO, which stands for World Health Organization, and this organization is basically related with the world health प्रॉब्लम. सो जितने भी वर्ल्ड में हेल्थ इश्यूज़ चल रहे हैं या जो भी उनके रिगार्डिंग काम करना है, इट इज़ द प्राइम फंक्शन ऑफ WHO. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू WHO, द डेफिनेशन ऑफ health is that it can be defined as the total well-being in all aspects of reproduction. It can be physical reproduction, it can be in relation to emotional reproduction, the behavior aspect of the reproduction and the social aspect of the reproduction. So सब के सब पार्ट्स इसमें कंसिडर किए जाएंगे, whether they are physical, emotional, behavior or the social aspect. So major जो चीज़ें इसमें आती हैं वो आती क्या क्या हैं? The problems which are related with the birth defects like low birth rate, लो बर्थ इसमें चेक किया जाता है. देन इसमें चेक किया जाता है रिड्यूस्ड फर्टिलिटी, जो इसी का पार्ट है. देन इम्पोटेंसी, menstrual disorders, So all these things are considered under the reproductive health. So reproductive health में आपको सबसे पहले इसकी definition का पता होना important है. Now second aspect is the reproductive health problems and the strategy. This is the second topic, and India, as you know, India is the first country to initiate action plan and program at the national level to attain total reproductive health as the social goal. So it is the social goal of India to attain the total reproductive health. Total reproductive health, as we have discussed in the definition, it includes the physical health, the social health, the behavior health. तो सबके सब हेल्थ इसमें एस्पेक्ट में आते हैं. सो इंडिया का मोटिव क्या है कि टोटल रिप्रोडक्टिव हेल्थ को अटेन किया जाए एज द सोशल गोल. एंड दिस प्रोग्राम्स वर स्टार्टेड इन 1951. इंडिया के फर्स्ट प्लान में ही ये इंक्लूडेड थे. इन 1951 दिस प्रोग्राम वॉज स्टार्टेड एंड द नेम ऑफ द प्रोग्राम वॉज द फैमिली प्लानिंग. So the name of the program was family planning. So family planning in recent years, in the recent decade, we can say it has been asserted, and this asserted improved plans for reproduction in this particular area are popularly known as, now the name of the same program is reproductive and child health care program. So you have understood the relation between the family planning and the reproductive health and child health care program. So family planning पहले जो स्टार्ट हुआ था प्रोग्राम 1951 में was family planning, but later on अभी recently इसने थोड़ा सा ये gear up हुआ है, थोड़ा सा इसने speed up हुआ है, and now this program is known as the reproductive and child health care program. Fine. So ये दोनों एस्पेक्ट्स इसमें आते हैं. Now the some of the measures has been taken by government for improving the reproductive health of the country, and these measures include, number one, the awareness. First thing is the awareness through, and